So welcome back to Amica Review. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Temu and Speedaf. So my experience about my order and what I order, I will unbox it to you so you can see everything and I will explain everything, my experience and also users experience. So I ordered from Temu. What I bought a one PC selfie show, a tripod, and also adjustable mobile phone holder, and also men classic solid color cotton, so a trouser. And also I bought another a belt, automatic buckle belt, and also I bought a screen guard for my phone and also men classic t-shirt. So I bought t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt, in total 6 items. So I'm going to unveil it whether it is exactly what I bought that was delivered to my account, to my address. So what you need to be aware of, let me first quickly explain my experience, then I will unbox this to you. Or let me quickly unbox it, then we are going to proceed with my experience. So to unbox it, you just so it was delivered via Speedaf to me, but this order, this package didn't came to my address. I went to collect it to a location Speedaf deliver the item to, whereas I've put my address but they didn't deliver it to my address. They were giving false allegation. They were saying they couldn't reach me, so I was the one that get up to get this item reached to me, because it was a real battle with Speedaf. But in total, in conclusion, I'm going to unveil it. Speedaf has good bad experience. So but let's quickly unbox the item that I got from Temu. So let's unbox it first. So I'm going to open it first. So I ordered this item from Temu and I'm going to open it. So it was delivered via Speedaf, as I said. I'm unboxing it. Let's open it first because the package seems to be. So this is Speedaf and this nylon is from Speedaf, I think, or from Temu. From Temu, is from Temu. So this is the phone holder that I bought from them, and I bought this item. So the item is six. We are going to unbox it. As you can see, this is the phone holder, and as it was in my account. So this is the phone holder, this item, and I'm going to open it to show you the long sleeve clothes and others. So I want to make sure the item were delivered to me. So this item, the first item, because you must check whether all your items are truly delivered to you, because Speedaf is not trustworthy because they have bad experience. So me explaining my experience with Speedaf, they will frustrate you if you don't get up by yourself to get this item delivered to you. So next time, if I'm going to order next, I'm not going to use a house delivery. I'm going to use a pickup station, because this is way better and secure, because the Speedaf employees, they are very bad people. They usually frustrate users. So many users complained. They rely that they try to reach you, but your phone number didn't go. It is a lie. They never call. So I received an email from Temu saying that the Speedaf delivery guy tried to reach me, but my phone number was unreachable. It is a lie. It was a lie. So I messaged Speedaf customer service on Facebook to tell them that the guy claimed to have called me while I didn't receive any call from him. So you need to be aware of the dishonest practice they have on Speedaf, especially the one that will deliver the product to you. When you see that your address is very remote or too far from his location, is going to do turnaround, but it's better for you to choose pickup station if you are choosing Speedaf for your delivery service. So this Speedaf, the guy later called me and gave it to another person. So I went to a specific location to get this item delivered to me. So I didn't pay anything except my the transport fees. So I ordered 6 items. This is the second item, as you can see. The second item, and it is a selfie stick tripod. So it is 6 items. The third item, which is a screen guide for my phone. I think this is the screen guide. So as I'm unboxing it, especially talking about the clothes, whether it is fit. So the main reason why I bought something from Temu, it was because of the clothes. So this is the fourth item, the fifth and the sixth item. As you can see, the sixth item is the belt. So the other were delivered to me, but we are going to test these trousers to know. I'm going to test it, but first of all, let me open it. So the fabric of this t-shirt is polyester, and I think most people hate polyester because of the quality of the clothes is bad, whereas the fabric of this trouser is cotton, 100% cotton, as you can see. So before you order from Temu, you must read the users reviews and also the fabric of the clothes if you are ordering anything like clothing from Temu, because without that, you will what you will receive will never be according to what you expect. So it is very light, this trouser, and I think it's 100% cotton. As you can see, I love it because it is 100% cotton, but the size seems very small as I can see it, but it is my size. As you see, it is my size. So it is 100% cotton. I love it because of the fabric, which is cotton. So I'm going to put it on and show you the clothes. But before that, let's put it aside. Let me first by opening this tripod that I bought from Temu. The clothes will be last. I will put it at last. So the tripod is good. I don't regret it. You see, the tripod is very good and okay, 100% good. I don't regret buying it. So this is the tripod, and the manual to open it comes with a manual PDF that will explain everything, how to open it, everything. So I will do it later, but I love the tripod as the way they build it is very okay, as you can see. So 100% okay. I don't regret buying it because it is even light. It's not too heavy, as you can see. So this is the tripod. I love it. I didn't regret buying it. So the phone holder, which is so this is my first time ordering from Temu or Temu. So, and the phone holder is okay, also okay, silver type. So I don't regret it, and I think it is very okay. So this is the phone holder. I can put my phone like this, put it on the ground, everything is okay. So in conclusion, I will rate my experience at Temu at the scale of 10. If I want to review Temu, I will put it something like 7/10. Why I put it 7/10 is because of their delivery service, which is too bad. But rating speed up at the scale of 10, I will put it 3/10 because Speedaf has so many complaints. Before I ordered, I read reviews about users that ordered via Speedaf. So they complained that mostly they complained their order was never delivered to them, that the delivery agent lied that they couldn't reach the phone number, while in reality the delivery agent never called. So you should be aware of all these dishonest practices on Speedaf. But you need to get up. If you are using it next time, you must make it to be something like pickup station. If you are ordering something above $500, $1,000, expensive thing like phones, because if you use pick and delivery, home delivery, they might trick you because they are not trustworthy at all. So this is the holder. As you can see, everything is okay. So we are testing the, I'm going to put on this cloth. So the fabric of this cloth is polyester, and it is not highly quality, but it is very cheap. I put the link in the description of this video if you want to purchase all these items that I bought. So I will put the link in the description. So let's test this cloth. So I put on the cloth. As you can see, I think despite being XL, this cloth is XL and it's very big. It's bigger, but I think it's fit, but it is somehow bigger than I expected. I could have purchased something like L. So, but regarding this bag, it is size L. The size is L, but it is also big, but it is fit, but they are light. Their weight is not too heavy as I expected. So it is light. So it is lightweight. So this is the so let me clamp and show you. As you can see, the trouser, it is lightweight, but it is big. As you see my waist comparing to the trouser, and it is somehow too big for me, because despite me purchasing something like size L, but the quality is not what I expected. This is too light. It is like nylon. So you should be aware of Temu, because it is made in China. It will never be quality as you wish. So this is the worst trouser that I have ever purchased, because it is too light. On the scale of 10, I will rate it 2/10 concerning this trouser, because it is too light. What is this? This is like nylon, so you should be aware of it. And but concerning this polyester cloth, it is okay. It is okay. I'm not regretting it, but it's just somehow too big despite purchasing it at XL. So it is okay. So I'm going to open the belt, because I promise to open everything. So let's drag the camera here. So this is me opening the belt. Next time, I'm not going to buy anything like trouser. I'm buying jeans instead. So this is the belt that I ordered. This will be my last package. See, it is good. The belt, I don't regret it. The quality is okay. Everything is okay. So this is the belt, as you can see. And also the quality of this polyester cloth is okay, very good and nice, 100% nice. But this 100% cotton, it is the worst trouser ever, because it is too light and I don't even like it. So too soft. So this is it. As you can see, it is okay. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to remember Speedaf have bad service. If you are using Temu to order next time, you must be aware that Speedaf has bad service. So most users on Play Store, on their Facebook page, even on Trustpilot, complain about Speedaf wrong delivery service. So you should be aware of it. So I think this cloth is fit, but somehow too big for me. But I don't think it is too big. Maybe I know it as it is like this, it fits me. Many will say it fits me because it is not too big. So it is not too big, not too small, not too big. So it is fit because I know. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.